Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in downtown Eau Claire, Wisconsin, and we're staying at the Lismore Hotel by Doubletree, and we're going to give you a tour of our room. So this is room 215. This is a corner suite, and we're going to show you around the room. Right here in the entryway, we started our basic safety features. We have a peephole, map of the floor, and like I said, we're in a corner suite, which isn't really a suite, it's just a room, but it's a corner, so we'll show you that in a minute. Right here we have a safe, standard electronic time lock safe. We have hangers to hang stuff up, although nothing very tall because the safe's right there. They give us a laundry bag. There's a couple of drawers here. And this is the door to the bathroom. We'll come back to that in a minute. We have a coffee maker. Give us some cups, creamer, sugar, and sweetener. English breakfast tea. This is coffee. I guess that's decaffeinated coffee. Yep, decaffeinated. We have an ice bucket here. Down here we have a refrigerator. Somebody left us some water. Up above we have a couple of cabinets, and in here we have a small ironing board and an iron. We have a full-length mirror here, places to hang things up. We have a thermostat to control the air conditioner. So moving into the room, it's not a very big room, but it's pretty impressive just because of the view, and I'm going to show you the view in a minute. We have a queen size bed, little bench to sit on here. We have end tables with drawers. And this right here has two USB ports and two regular outlets, and there's one of those on each side of the bed. The television is mounted on the wall, and down here we have some hand wipes and a remote control, which has been cleaned for my protection. Have an L-shaped sectional type couch here. Coffee table, and this is the desk area. The lamp on the desk has a couple of electric outlets on it, and being that this is a Doubletree, we got our water here. And we got cookies. Those special Doubletree cookies. Whoops. Roll around chair doesn't really roll. It's like each wheel, each caster's got a lock on it, and they're locked. So this is the air condition that's controlled by the thermostat. And then we have the windows. And I'm going to turn out the lights and we'll be able to see what's the view outside the windows. So this is the view, and we're right in the middle of downtown Eau Claire, Wisconsin. And basically it's just a street corner. And on this side over here we have a roof. Now the little lounge over there that you saw earlier actually has an outdoor patio, and that's right over there. But it's dead quiet in here. We can't hear anything. No noise from the lounge, no noise from the street. So these must be pretty good windows they have here. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. So, we have one of these retro modern bathrooms with the sink that sticks out of the countertop like this. And the countertop area is like a piece of furniture. It's like a table that has a sink on it. It's got legs and it's got a shelf underneath, and the plumbing's exposed. We got towels. Looks like we got 3 bath towels and floor mat, hand towel, a couple more hand towels over there. One of these nice modern mirrors with the light around it. And of course we have a toilet. And then we have a stand-up shower. I don't know if you can see that with the reflections. Let's check out the shower head, see how that works. And because this is a sliding door that only slides from this direction, so this is going to make it kind of awkward to do this without getting all wet. But let's see what happens. And it looks like we got a good flow in the shower head. So the windows have these pull-down shades, and they have privacy shades, which you can see up at the top there, and then they also have blackout shades, and they're framed all the way around, so when you pull them down, you get a total blackout. So this is what it looks like with them down, and when we turn out the lights, it is completely dark in here. The only thing you see is that little blue glow from the readout on the air conditioner. So these are really good blackout shades. If you want total darkness, want to get a good night's sleep, this is the way to do it. Now the wall decor we have here is old newspapers. And it reminds me of the tabletops that they had at Wendy's when I was a kid back in the, I guess the late 70s, early 80s. Wendy's tables had old newspaper prints. So this is one of those quirky things you get at these boutique hotels. I guess that's what you'd call this, a boutique hotel. This is an old historic building that has been repurposed as a modern hotel. See that NSW there? I kind of wonder if this is Australian newspapers.
Well, I see that there is a town called Lismore that's
And
Sydney and
Sydney,
Newcastle.
yeah, and NSW, New South Wales.
And then Magellan Street, Lismore. Woodlark Street, Lismore. This is December 5th, 1924.
Well, that's a question for Richard Felstead then.
And the way that everything's spelled, it's spelled like the British spelling.
Queen's English.
And it's talking about the Church of England, Melbourne, yeah, I bet you anything this is from Australia.
So these are the toiletries that they have in the bathroom. It's Pharmacopoeia, natural and organic body care. Verbena soap, we see that a lot. I don't even know what verbena is. Made with organic shea butter. Mild triple milled soap is made with natural verbena and green tea. I don't have any idea what good any of that does, but it's fancy stuff, I guess. And this is what the soap actually looks like. Looks kind of like the countertop here, actually. It's got chunks of something in it. And then the rest of the stuff here, verbena shampoo, verbena conditioner, verbena body wash, and verbena body lotion. They just have some generic makeup removing wipes. So anyway, that concludes our hotel room tour. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Be sure and subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when our new videos come out. And be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.